Hello and welcome to another SoulLink AI tutorial video. This is an example of using the locations wandering feature. Currently I have this character called Gareth, who just randomly wanders in freeform mode, which makes him rather aimless as he just occasionally stops and goes into idle mode. And then after so many seconds he'll pick up and just pick another location. So we want to give him a little more purpose. So we're going to change his wander task from freeform to locations. Now in order for this to work though, we have to actually have locations in the scene. If you were to set this right now and not have locations, he would just stand there and not go anywhere. So what you want to do for locations is you want to use this location prefab, which is found in SoulLink AI Core Resources Prefabs. You just drag that to the scene. We're going to give that one right in front of his house and call this Gareth's house. And now even though we've labeled this is not the actual name of the location. That is done inside here where it says location name. So let's go ahead and give it the official name there. This location radius, which tells it exactly how big of an area this location encompasses. We could technically put this inside the house and then make a radius that encompasses the whole area of the house, and then if he decides he wants to go home, he will simply go anywhere within that radius. Future, we're going to have sub-locations where you'd be able to say Gareth's house, and then there'd be sub-locations like bedroom, kitchen, backyard, etc. And then you can be more specific. For now, we just have the one general location. So we're going to make that location. Then we've got this, there's some rocks over here. Let's make a location there called rocks. And again, we'll just call it rocks there. This visible marker flag, if you want to actually see these little markers when you're running in runtime mode, you can turn that on and then you'll be able to see, just for debug purposes. And we have this cave over here. So we're going to go ahead and put one over by this cave. Call it location cave. The name cave. Alright. The other thing to note is in wander task, there's a wander locations filter. If you put some text in here, it'll filter by location name text that contains some text you put in here. So you could specifically name your locations with like a prefix. For example, maybe there's a village and you want to call all your locations in the village dash home, village dash field, village dash town square. Then if you put a filter in here of village, then it would only wander between the locations in the village. But for now, this is all we need. Go ahead and run and we should be able to watch as he randomly will go between locations now. It looks like he's going out to the rocks. Notice he made just a little short hop. He just randomized within the same location. Now he's going to go to the cave. Now you can make this more interesting by creating interactable objects that he's interested in, like interact and add interact sensors to him. So for instance, maybe over by the rocks there are some, or even by the cave, there's some metal ore that he could mine, like gold ore or whatnot. And if his interact sensor says that he's interested in mining gold, then when he gets to the location and sees the the gold ore, then he would start mining it. But that's it for this demonstration video. Thanks for watching.